My name is Lamia Benadada. I come from Morocco. I'm the head of communication in the Moroccan National Tourism Office. We are in charge of promotion of touristic destinations and experiences in Morocco. I would like to thank you for inviting me in this 2 days workshop, because I gained a lot of information and I discovered a wonderful country. I must admit it's my first country in Africa. And I just love the hospitality and the smile of people. It's always good to benchmark and to have comparison with other countries to know if we are in the good path for promotion.
My name is Nora Takaindisa. I'm the Deputy Director for Communications and Advocacy, Ministry of Tourism and Hospitality Industry, Zimbabwe. I would like to thank the UNWTO for bringing the media and communications training in tourism in Africa to our country, because it boosts our tourism in the country, and I have learned a lot. I have learned that you can't separate tourism with the media. So I look forward to more exciting training with the UNWTO. Thank you.
My name is Mamo Swane, and I am Senior Officer Marketing and Communications, Gambia Tourism Board. And I'm here to represent my office and the Gambia by far. I have learned a lot to tell you. For example, pitching stories is something I find to be very interesting. I have been writing stories, but now I understood even better how to improve on this. And of course, another unique thing I learned is destination diversification. For example, in the Gambia, now I'll be able to, improve and diversify our various destinations, and even using hashtags better to improve our level of outreach, awareness, etc. And of course, storytelling was another unique aspect that I like, and then how best to connect that to the human side, because tourism cannot go without that connection between the people and the visitor. So this, I think, has been very unique and special, but much more. An eye-catching moment for me would be the visit of Victoria Falls, which has both professional attachment to me and of course as an individual.